Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for Whimsy Stamps Flower Wishes 4x6 clear stamp set and coordinating outline dies. These items are sold separately. The Flower Wishes stamp set is perfect for year-round stamping. Let's have a closer look by stamping the entire set out and then running it through the die cutting machine with the coordinating outline dies. I'm so excited that Whimsy is offering the coordinating dies with this set, as I'm sure some of you are as well. Now this set includes both the floral arrangements plus the two blooms, the single leaf, and that long stem. You can color the images with your favorite coloring mediums or coloring techniques. Pair the images with favorite pattern papers or stenciled backgrounds. Whatever you decide to do with it, it's going to be perfect for birthday cards, get well, a simple hello, thank you, and so much more. Now in my first sample, I used a black and white striped pattern paper to create a quick and simple Feel Better Soon card. My second card was created by adding the colored image over a simple stenciled brick background. So let me know what you think of the Flower Wishes stamp set and coordinating outline dies in the comments below. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. You can follow us on Instagram and Pinterest as well. And until next time, please take care.